Why are your Facebook ads not converting or performing well? There have been a lot of businesses and individuals very convinced that Facebook ads do not work for them, but those that are willing to find out why often start from the beginning, which is, why aren't our Facebook ads performing well or converting? Well, to be quite frank with you, without having any data to look at, I can't really say for your specific situation why your Facebook ads might restricting your ads from not performing well. But these are some of the things that might be wrong with your ads. Number one, you might not be targeting the right audience. People often make the mistakes that they are running ads targeting the wrong audience. I know it seems absurd, but it can actually happen. And the second possible reason is demographics may be wrong. It can happen that you may be running ads in the wrong country or in the wrong location. Somewhere your products might not be getting enough interest or might actually have potential. And number three, your ad copy is not converting enough. Your ads might not have the best ad copy that has all elements of a good ad copy and is not enough to lure in more prospects in. We tend to find more higher priced offers perform better with generally longer texts, whilst more common products like socks usually just need short text like amazing colors or something quick and eye-catching. So number four is creative or video might not be hooking enough. Ads show up in people's feeds. For a person to really be interested, advertisers have those milliseconds to lure a customer, and if they don't see something interesting, they might not stop to see what you have to offer. Number five is your ads have potential, but you're scaling them wrong. Well, you get decent results on small budgets, but once you scale up, you're not getting the same kind of results that you're expecting if you scale. There could be multiple possibilities of what might be wrong with your Facebook ads and why they're not performing well. So I've compiled a Facebook ads checklist. You can get this completely free using the link provided in the description or comments. No email address needed. This is for you and to help you. If you do see results, I'd love for you to reach out and let me know. And it always makes my day, as I always say, but it really truly does. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Brandon from DGS Media, and as always, feel free to reach out to me or our team. And with that being said, I thank you for your time. Until next time, goodbye.